Hi everybody, and welcome to another 180 Markets Weekly Wrap. And today we are going to talk about you. And when I say you, I mean the consumer. But before we get to that, you know the drill. Like, subscribe to our channel here at 180 Markets, because I promise you we are bringing unique content you are not going to find anywhere else. Now, today, again, it's all about you, the consumer. And specifically, consumer prices are really starting to bite. And finally, we saw even in the March numbers, the CPI was down 0.3%. So this is a theme, anecdotally, we have seen for 6 months, even maybe up to a year now, where prices really are starting to bother people, and people are pushing back now on paying $6 for a cafe latte. And then at the energy side, oil prices, the beginning of the year, oil was around US $70 a barrel, now up to $84 a barrel. So we're really getting the pinch on both sides. And what does it mean? Well, here at 180 Markets, we are looking at other themes, specifically companies that have offshore exposure, maybe natural resources, or a technology advantage where the consumer can actually save money. These are places to look. And a way to take advantage many times is through capital raises. And speaking of those capital raises, now to discuss what went on this week, I'll turn it over to Sean.
Thanks, Greg. And a mixed week on the market, but today there is signs that lithium stocks could be bouncing back. And that is giving us a bit of excitement because that's what a lot of people have been waiting for. A lot of placements again, and pleasingly, we are getting access. We have been getting great allocations too. I'm not sure if that is a sign that other brokers are struggling, but there are a lot of great deals out there. Let's take a look at the 180 Markets platform. On the 180 Markets platform, there is currently FGH, ICL, PNR live. BPH and MEL are closed. FGH is going out to raise $1.5 million at 1 cent compared to the last price of 1.2. ICL, now ICL had a massive run. We'll look at that when we are on the chart soon, but they are raising $1 million at 6.5. That's a big premium to where it was trading a few days ago, but a big discount to the current price. They've got a market cap of 21.9 million, and good luck to the boys at Evolution with that raise. PNR, Pantoro, is currently live. They are raising $88 million at a 7% discount. Now, Pantoro has a market cap of $447 million, and if we look at our wonderful platform, they are raising money to repay amortizing debt and for some more exploration and resource drilling. BPH is also raising money. Again, serial raiser, only $1 million this time, but that deal does include options, and MEL raised, I think it was yesterday. What else did we have on our platform? Wide Open Agriculture. Now, that was done at a massive discount, 76%. It was 2 tranches. Now, as well as that discount, it included 3-cent options. So they have resumed trading, and they were trading at 3 cents, but a massive discount there for WOA. So hopefully everything turns out all right. RTR, they raised 4 million. They raised 1.1 in a placement, and they are going to try and raise 2.9 million in a rights issue. That was done at a 14% discount, and yeah, we'll see what happens there, but thanks for allocation on that one. MKR, they also have become a bit of a serial raiser, but I do feel that this raise could be the last in a while because that is going towards their project. So that was an $8 million raise. Now, each share at 6 cents came with a free option to exercise and buy more shares at 6. Another raise that we emailed out this week, so it wasn't on the placement, was DEG, an old favorite of mine. They were raising $600 million through a placement and rights issue at $1.10. As we mentioned, ICL, Iceni Gold, is raising money, but look what they did this week. They did announce a gold discovery, and their share price went from 2 cents to 9 cents. It did go a lot higher than that intraday. As we said, they're now raising money, so only $1 million, and that's a pretty popular raise here at 180 Markets. Another big mover was M4M. Now, this one has not stopped since Tolga Kamova invested in it. It has had a little bit of good news, but don't know if that good news justifies the share price going up almost 20 times from when Tolga invested. So he put in money at 0.2. They did get options as well. And it has gone from 0.2 to 3.6. Well done, Tolga. Will you please give us some of your next deal, please? ANX has been a big mover. They ran from 2.5 cents to, they did hit 5 cents. They just announced a change in substantial shareholding. So they've moved quite a bit on that. And surprisingly, no, not surprisingly, pure coincidence, we go from ANX to AXN. They've had a massive run too. So let's take a look at what happened yesterday. So they opened, they were trading at 4 cents and they hit 10 cents after announcing that their nickel and copper project was given project status by the Australian government. So well done to anyone holding AXN, especially better well done if you sold at 10 cents. It's fallen back to 6.5 cents, but still a major move over the last few days. As we said, lithium stocks are doing really well, and that's great to see. Now, my old favorite and maybe my new favorite, Sayona, that has had a pretty good week. It has gone up 30% over the week from 3 to 4. Huge volumes as well, and no news from the company. It's just a little bit of lithium sentiment is really improving. It would be great if that continues. I'm not sure if it will, but yeah, I think everyone has been waiting for movements in these lithium stocks. CXO Core Lithium is up as well, not as much as Sayona, but it is up 5%, and that's good to see. Other ones that we follow, LKE, they're up 6% today. They were trading at 7 just before. So yeah, there's a lot of movements in these stocks, PLS as well. And one that I'm following too is Piedmont Lithium. They're trading at 22 cents, up 7% on the day. Now, only one down we'll talk about. Now, this one has been strange. This is major movements. So it was trading at about 5-6 cents in the middle of March. Went up to 30 cents, down to 8, all the way up to 40, and this week fell down to 8 cents. Now, they have done a rights issue of 2.9 cents, but I wouldn't have thought that that would move the share price up and down like a yo-yo. A bit like the game last night, but in the end, the winners win. Go the Blues. Thanks for watching the weekly wrap. Have a great weekend, and let's hope next week is even stronger than this week.